channel Phantom. Today I'm going to discuss about the definition of the artificial intelligence, and then I will put some light on machine learning, and then we will see about the deep learning. So let's start with the concept of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines or computer programs to do tasks that usually need human intelligence, such as learning, solving problems like mathematical problems or any other daily life problems, and making decisions. AI has been around for many years, but recent technological advances have greatly improved its abilities and uses. This chapter, today we are going to look for the AI is absolutely how it is working, and what it might do in the future. AI can be split into two main types, narrow AI and general AI. Now, let's focus on the narrow AI. Narrow AI actually is basically focusing on the specific tasks like recognizing images or translating languages. It uses machine learning algorithms trained on big data sets to find patterns and make predictions. General AI, however, aims to match human intelligence across a wide range of areas like reasoning, perception, and creativity. While narrow AI has seen a lot of development recently, general AI is still far off. AI operates by analyzing large amounts of data to find patterns and relationships. It uses this information to make decisions or take actions. This is done through algorithms that learn from data, including neural networks, which are designed like the human brain. These networks have layers of nodes that process and pass on information, helping the algorithm recognize patterns in the data. AI is used in many fields and industries. For example, in healthcare, it helps diagnose diseases and plan treatments by examining medical images and patient data. In finance, for example, it analyzes market trends to help with investment decisions. In transportation, it helps manage traffic and improve road safety. In education, it personalizes learning to boost student performance. These are just a few examples of how AI is improving our lives today. Now, let's go to the machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence that uses algorithms and statistical models to teach machines how to learn from data and get better at certain tasks. It's a field that's growing fast and has many uses in industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. So, we will look at what machine learning is now and how it works and what it might do in the future. At its core, machine learning involves algorithms that allow machines to learn from data. These algorithms can spot patterns and relationships in the data and use this knowledge to make predictions or take actions. One common type of machine learning is supervised learning, where a model is trained with a data set that has the correct answer for each input. The model learns from this data and then makes predictions on new data it hasn't seen before. Another type is unsupervised learning, where a model is given data without any labels and has to figure out the patterns and relationships by itself. This approach is often used to group similar items together, like clustering. Reinforcement learning is another kind where a model learns to make decisions through trial and error, adjusting its actions based on rewards or penalties it receives from the environment. Machine learning is used in various fields. So let's check the applications in healthcare. For example, it helps analyze medical images and patient data to improve diagnosing and treating diseases. In finance, for example, it helps analyze market trends to make investment decisions. In transportation, similarly, it optimizes traffic flow and enhances road safety. In education, it personalizes learning to help students learn better. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is improving our lives. So one of the main benefits of machine learning is that it gets better over time. As the machine processes more data, it improves at the task it's designed to do. This is known as learning by experience. Machine learning models can also make decisions or predictions in real time, making them valuable in situations where quick responses are important. Let's go to neural networks now. Neural networks, a form of artificial intelligence, draw inspiration from the human brain structure and functionality. These computational models are designed to learn from data and subsequently make predictions or decisions. They are widely applied across various fields, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and numerous other areas. So, what is a neural network? Fundamentally, a neural network consists of a series of interconnected nodes known as neurons, which collectively function to process and analyze data. Each neuron receives input from other neurons, processes it, and sends an output to further neurons within the network. These inputs are weighted, which means some are deemed more significant than others in influencing the neuron's output. Neurons are structured into layers that each play a distinct role in data processing. The input layer initially receives the data, while the output layer delivers the network's final processing result. Between these, one or more hidden layers undertake the bulk of the network's computations. Let's now discuss about the training a neural network, how neural networks get trained. A neural network is very effective because it can learn from data. To train a neural network, you start by giving it a set of data and what you want it to produce with that data. The network then changes the strength of the connections between the neurons to reduce the difference between what it predicts and what you want. This adjusting process is called backpropagation. The number of layers in the network and the number of neurons in each layer are crucial for the network's performance. If there are too few neurons or layers, the network might not be able to handle complex data properly. On the other hand, too many neurons or layers can lead to overfitting, which means the network gets too good at recognizing the training data and fails to perform well on new unseen data. So let's see the uses of neural networks. Neural networks are employed across a broad spectrum of fields like image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, and more. For instance, an image recognition neural networks learn to identify features like edges or shapes within images, which helps them recognize objects. In speech recognition, they detect the individual sounds of speech, enabling them to convert spoken words into written text. In natural language processing, they understand the meanings of words and sentences to carry out tasks such as translating languages or analyzing emotions in text. Neural networks inspired by the human brain's structure and function are powerful tools in artificial intelligence. They learn from data and make decisions or predictions based on that learning. As research and development continue, neural networks could profoundly change how we use technology and interact with one another. So that I stop today, and we will discuss in the next sitting about the types of neural networks. Till then, stay safe and healthy. To support this channel, keep watching. Cheers and goodbye.